If you're looking to advertise online, TrafficJunky might have come across your radar. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another ad network. The surprising truth is, TrafficJunky specializes in adult traffic, offering access to a niche audience with unique targeting options. TrafficJunky works as a self-serve platform where advertisers can run campaigns on sites like Pornhub and other adult platforms. You can target by location, device type, or traffic source, and track performance with detailed analytics. This makes it a powerful tool for advertisers in industries where mainstream platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads aren't an option. The biggest advantage is reach. TrafficJunky receives millions of daily visitors, giving advertisers access to a high-volume audience. Campaign setup is straightforward, and the platform provides insights to optimize ad performance. Additionally, budgets are flexible. You can start small and scale up as results come in. However, there are limitations. TrafficJunky is primarily adult-focused, so it's unsuitable for general consumer products. Ads must comply with their policies, and some creatives may require approval. For first-time users, understanding adult traffic trends and targeting effectively may take some trial and error. In conclusion, TrafficJunky is an effective platform if your product or service aligns with the audience it serves. It offers detailed targeting, high traffic volume, and measurable results. But it's not a fit for all advertisers, so understanding your market is essential. If this review helped you understand whether TrafficJunky is right for your advertising strategy, subscribe for more honest reviews, ad platform tips, and marketing strategies to grow your business online.